Incredible opportunity to own this solid ranch-style home located in the heart of the award-winning Portage School District. Major updates include replacement windows and new roof, 2019. Hardwood floors lie beneath the carpeting, with 2 bedrooms already showcasing the exposed hardwood. Character-filled plaster walls add warmth and charm throughout. Nestled on a cul-de-sac, this home offers a convenient location close to local lakes, nature preserves, walking trails, schools, shopping, and dining. The kitchen features refaced wood cabinetry, a pantry, included appliances, and a cozy eating area. The spacious living room offers cove ceilings and a wood-burning stove, creating a welcoming space for relaxing or entertaining. All 3 bedrooms provide ample closet space. The unfinished lower level presents excellent potential for future living space while currently offering a laundry area with included washer and dryer, along with abundant storage space. Whether you're a first